Alright, Sifu Kairesh here. Today will be my next video. I can't shoot with my... In fact, I bought a gimbal called Osmo Pocket 3. Not yet used. Don't know how to use. So I decided to shoot my iPhone because I'm going for a walk now. Can you all see me or not? Ooh. Anyway, I kind of like enjoying doing this video now because I don't know, it's just nice. And then I see some of you commenting in the comment section. Thank you so much. Can see the behind the scenes. Ooh, very nice. So anyway, I just sit down somewhere and do lah. You go. So anyway, I'll just sit down. See, beautiful. So nice. Maybe you all should go out for a walk every day. Ever since I started going for a walk, it's been very nice. So, yep. Okay, today's topic, I'm going to talk something very interesting. I feel many parents are also, they need to know about this also. It is about putting pressure in your children. Why are you putting pressures in your children? I don't understand, because there are some parents, they are pressuring their children to do well in their studies. They want them to do, they want them to get A. They are putting them in so many tuition. Imagine age 6 years old, 5 years old, 6 years old, putting them through so much of training and classes and classes and classes. Children don't even have freedom, don't have freedom to be children. Let me repeat, children don't have freedom to be children. I understand, yeah, most parents now they because they grew up not having a lot of things. I can understand that. So now they want to give the best to their children. They want to work hard so that they can afford to give the best to the children. But I feel, this is just my own opinion lah. I feel the best gift you want to give to your children is actually just give them freedom. Give them the time for them to grow up being at home, playing with friends, going out, socializing, socializing with the neighbors, socializing with friends, going to the playground, just having fun. Let children be children. Because I notice I have a few children, few parents coming to me. They are telling me, Sifu, from Saturday, Sunday, my children is packed with a lot of activities. 10 to 11, they got this, dancing. 11 to 12 got this. 12 to 1 got this. 2 to 4 got this. Then 5 to 6 got football, tennis. Going here, going there. Saturday is full, pack, music. And then Sunday maybe got 3 other activities. Children don't have time on weekends. And then school is from Monday to Friday. Then morning they have to get ready, go for school. And then school itself got so much of activities. Then after school got after school activities. Come back home got tuition. Then evening got, I don't know, tuition or what. And then night just have a few hours. What kind of life is this lah? I don't know what is this. Then Saturday, Sunday activities. Then when children want to have time for themselves, it's like a locked up jail, So much of things pumping into the children. So I feel, hey, just let children be children. At a young age, 6 years old, 7 years, just let them live freely lah. Giving them so many things until they got no freedom. And they cannot say no also. They cannot say no, pa, I don't want. They just have to go. They have got no choice but to go. I understand those things are important. Yes, they need to have survival skills. They need to learn taekwondo. They need to go jiu-jitsu. Yes, have 1 or 2 activities. I think they're good to go already. But I feel parents need to have time to be with their children. Not necessarily need to send them off for training, send them this training, this classes, that classes, music, this, that, dance. How much? Unless if you want to plan, you can do. Maybe first year, okay, do dance. Maybe second year, do maybe music. Then third year, this. 1 activity per year. Then yes, makes sense. Don't all the way pump in so many activities. And then the worst thing is, it's not about the children. What about the parents? You will be doing a lot of driver job. Okay, parents, you are putting children in your so many activities, then you become the slave. Then you have to do so much of driving and fetching and sending. Then you got no time. Okay, then you're doing driver job. Okay, you got marketing to do. Why are you committing yourself to so much of activities until you pressuring yourself? You have pressure at work, now you pressuring yourself with children. You got no time for yourself. Mothers don't have time for them. So I'm talking mothers, I'm talking about you having time for yourself. Fathers, you need to have time for yourself. Yes, as a father, you have to be a father. As a husband, be with your wife and your children. But when is the time for you to be with yourself? Your own time, your own me time. You don't have. Parents don't have. Mothers don't have me time. Father don't have me time. Children don't have me time. They're just locked up with so many activities. So I feel this video I'm making is just to let parents know. I mean, if you're seeing this video now, take a step, slow down, just relax. Okay, be with your children. Just sit down and don't need to have any activities also. Just sit down, go to the park together, or maybe just sit down, go to McDonald's, just sit down, get a drink, sit down and have quality time with your children. I feel parents are not having quality time with their children. They're just sending activities after activities where children don't even have time to be with you, to be with your parents, get to know who you are as a parent, or get to know you don't even have time to get to know your children. All you know is just sending your children for activities, classes, this, that, everything, ding dong, until when? Okay, 4 years old, 5 years old, 6 years old, nursery, 7 to 12, primary school, run up and down. Then secondary school from 12 until form 5, up and down. After that, college itself, your children is gone. Okay, then after college, work. That time you guys will be in your 50s, 60s already. So since your children been born until the day they left home, you never had time for your children. They're just going for activities only. There's no bonding between parents and children. I feel this video I'm making, I think parents, you need to slow down on giving too much of activities for your children. Yes, I understand these are important, but the most important is actually your bonding with your children, getting to know your children getting to know you. Nothing, no activities, just you sitting down, you and your children, talk to them, get to know them, get to know your parents. Children listening to this, sit down and get to know you. Pa, come, I'll talk to you. Tell me about you, Pa. Tell me your life. How's your family? How's your upbringing? Or how's your upbringing? Pa, take me to your kampung. How you grew up. Tell me your life. Get to know your fathers. Maybe for daughters, tell her. Maybe children, of course, they have only like 4 or 5 years. Get to know your children. Talk to your children. Even though they could 6, 7 years old, at the best of their knowledge, just tell them, hey, what did you learn today? What you are seeing in your phone? What video you saw? Don't just study. Come on, there are better things in life than studies. Get A and do what? Get that A and do what? That's another video, I'm going to talk about it. You want your children to get A and do what? Go do what with the A? Okay? I rather have them enjoy life, enjoy the process. That's why all my students in my academy, everybody come, parents have expectation, they want their children to get A. They want their children to get A in Mandarin. They have so much of high expectation and they pressure their children. Must get A for Mandarin, must get it. So this is where I tell all parents off. I said, if you keep pressing your children, you better stop them from my academy. Okay? In my academy, I tell everyone, don't focus on the A. Have a good life. I have a very my approach towards getting A in Mandarin is not pressuring children, because this generation of children are a little bit different from our generation. Our generation, like it or not, just shut up and study. This generation is different. These children need to know why. They need to have interest. They need to like the teacher. They need to like the subject. Then only they learn. You pressure, get A. So children is like, I want to get A and do what? So I've been talking about the A now. That's actually a different video already. But never mind. But today's video, let this just have a good time with your children. Take them for a walk, sit down, get to know them, spend time with them. Don't have to hold. And then this is another idea. You can also have no phone day. That means when you hang out with your children, going to a restaurant together, don't use the phone. Take the phone, okay, phone, all keep. Sit down and talk to your children. Be a human. Talk to your children. Talk to your children. Get to know them. Talk to your parents. Get to know them. Just talk. Don't talk about anything. It could be about anything. Could be about this tree. Could be about this chair sitting down here. Could be about the sun. Could be about anything. Okay, do this. I feel this is very important. This quality time with your children. And the best part here is, once this time has gone, is gone. You cannot get it back again. Okay, that moment, that, let's say that 5-year-old, that your child at 5 years old, that time comes only once. If that time is gone, it's gone. You cannot not see your same daughter being 5 years old again. It's going to be 6 years old already. So the entire moment of your children at 5 years old is just been lost, just because you are sending them for so many activities and you don't have even have time to be with your children. So what? They don't learn taekwondo. So what? They don't learn karate or taekwondo or anything. So what? It doesn't matter. Just be with your children. In time to come, they will learn. Alright. So this will be my video. Let this be like macam pengajaran lah. Okay. So now I'm going to go back for my walk. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this video. Sorry about my video. I like to give cut dry and the truth. Maybe all children seeing this video are like, yo, betul lah Sifu. Thank you for making this video. I send this to my parents now. Okay guys, 谢谢。